The SENAI Institute for Innovation in Information and Communication Technology of SENAI Pernambuco positions itself within the national ecosystem of the SENAI Innovation Network and Institutes as a unit focused on the development of intensive solutions for embedded intelligence in systems.
Our mission is to increase the competitiveness of the industry through innovative solutions and technological development.
So we apply Industry 4.0 technologies, not only in the classroom, when we are training professionals, but also when we work on project development.
SENAI Park is a great catalyst. Our goal is to accelerate the development of a technology so that we can reduce the time it takes to be developed, tested, and applied in the market, thereby accelerating the development of a supply chain.
Both the automotive and energy sectors are undergoing a real disruption due to this new social and governmental commitment to the energy transition. And batteries are critical components in this transition because they enable the advancement of electric cars that will minimize our dependence on fossil fuels and also the storage of clean energy from renewable sources.
The biggest challenge in developing a solution that isn't fully understood, especially when starting from scratch, without a foundation, is managing to control all the variables realistically.
So the SENAI Innovation Institute will adopt Siemens' portfolio, called Siemens Xcelerator, in order to understand various complex scenarios. So what is the best technological route to take? How do I guarantee operational safety? And of course, operational excellence, aiming to ensure that these batteries have an appropriate cost at the end of their production.
When we see a technology that works across all sectors, but that can be applied in the automotive, oil and gas sectors, it is very difficult to make those connections without seeing practical cases working, operating, with projects already executed using that technology.
True digital transformation isn't about applying a single technology in isolation. And this SENAI project is quite innovative because it aims to commission this plant with this digital pathway in mind, creating this true digital twin even before the plant exists, which will later be connected to the real world.
So our expectation is that this pilot plant, this specific environment, will be a major driving force for the development of the supply chain in Brazil. Because after this development, testing, and validation phase in a pilot plant that will supply approximately 10,000 batteries per year, we will already be able to have a realistic projection and simulation of the market before companies launch large-scale projects to meet this national demand.
In June 2025, we were in Detroit at the Realize Live event and received an award in the digital transformation category.
So this award reinforces our role in the digital transformation of the industry and confirms that we are on the right track, generating impact and direct results that can spill over into society.